Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming our September favorites. So this month I don't have tons of beauty products or tons of products in general. My skin was breaking out, so I took a little break from wearing tons of makeup and just letting my skin heal and all of that. But the days that I was wearing makeup, there were a couple of products that I always reached for. So that's what I'm going to share with you in today's video. First thing is not makeup related, but they're Kit Kats. These are the limited edition fruity cereal ones. These taste like Fruity Pebbles. I tried it and I went back the very next day to get this pack. They're just really good. If you like Kit Kats and you like Fruity Pebbles, just try it. They're really, really good. I love them. I do. Really, really do. So the next thing is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I bought this for my face and I think it's a little too heavy for my face because I was breaking out like crazy this month, and I think it was after using this. I don't feel like a lot of people said that before, but I think this is just too heavy for my face, and but my body loves it. This is amazing for your arms, just your entire body. It is amazing. It's a very thick, very hydrating, but it's not goopy, it's not sticky, it's not heavy feeling on your hands. You don't have that really uncomfortable residue that, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't do that. It just feels really good on the skin. So I love that. So because I've been letting my skin breathe, I haven't been reaching for foundation much this month, but I've been trying out concealers and I've been trying to do the whole no makeup just so I can look a little more put together without wearing tons of makeup. And I forgot about this. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer and this is in Cool Tan. I use the darker shades, Beautiful Bronze and Toast, for my nose and my face contour, but as far as an actual concealer or putting it all over my face, I haven't used this in such a long time. I'm actually running out of it. I've been using it so much, but it doesn't seem like it's almost empty, but there is, and I just don't want to shoot out any product because I was like this all day today. This is what I'm wearing on my face today. I'm not wearing any foundation. I just add this underneath my eyes, around my nose, by my mouth area, and anywhere my hyperpigmentation is. This is just what I've been putting on. Let it dry down a little bit. And then I take a nice little concealer. Well, this is my concealer brush that I use. This is the Morphe E8 brush. And I just kind of press it in. And then I just set my face with a little bit of translucent powder. And that's pretty much it for the complexion. Well, actually, no, I take that back. The other part to this is when I want a more brighter under eye or just a slight brighter for a little extra concealing. This is my favorite drugstore concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 385 Amber. I love this. This is a little lighter than my complexion, so it gives me that perfect concealing without being too overbearing and too brightening. So it's perfect for no makeup days. So this has kind of been my complexion, the complexion situation that I've been working with. Now, I've talked about this product for quite some time and I just love it. I just feel like I'm going to drive you guys crazy and tell you about this again, but this Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder, amazing. I cannot do my makeup without it, so that's why I had to give it a little bit of attention. It's the two shades in here, the pink and the yellow, mix it together, put a little bit underneath the eyes. It just does something. It transforms my under eyes, makes it bright, it makes it smooth. A little goes such a long way. It's just so good. It's just really, really good. So the next product that I've really, really been loving is this iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This is in Warm Bronze. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, and since I got it, I haven't been able to put it down. It's amazing. It's what I have on my face right now. I just feel like putting it on, my skin just looks healthy and it looks bronzy and glowy, and there's no shimmer in here. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I've been using it so much and I feel like it doesn't even look like I've made a dent in here, but it's very pigmented and it is just beautiful, like just absolutely beautiful. So the next product that I've really been liking too is from Sephora. It's this lip blush. I love this. So I don't know the shade name, but this is 04. I think on the website it tells you, or maybe I just can't see it. The light's too bright for me to see it. But yeah, it's 04. It's the red one. It is so pretty. So how I use this, the formula is amazing. It's a very silky texture. A little just goes a really long way. So you can use this very, very opaque, just go in very heavy-handed with this. But what I like to do is I add a little dot on the top and the bottom of my lips, and I just rub it in together, and it gives you a really pretty flush of color, and it's just so pretty. It's like a thicker lip tint in a way. I don't know, I love little stains like this. The formula is just so good. It's if you've ever tried the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip products, it's very similar to this, but I feel like this is a little more on the silkier side, so I love the formula on this. Okay, so the next two products are lipsticks, and this first one is from Essence, and this is 03 Bold. I love this color. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. It's very comfortable, very creamy, and it just looks so good on the lips. It's just so pretty. So this other one is also $3. This is from e.l.f. and this is Seriously Satin in Creme. I don't know if they took this off their website or removed it from the shelves in the stores, because I haven't been able to find any of these. So this is a very, very light, pale baby pink. It is just, I don't even know if you can see it, but it's right here. Just, you see, it's very, very light. I like using this with a darker lip liner, or just lighten up my other lipsticks in the center. It's just really pretty. Or I'll just put this on with a lip liner and some gloss and I'm good to go. But it's such a beautiful, beautiful color. The formula is really nice. It's just really, really nice. So let me know if you know if they removed this from the shelves or if it's still a thing. I should have checked, but I went to Target and I didn't see them at all. So I'm kind of hoping they didn't, because the formula is really nice and the price point is amazing. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.